Hello, how are you doing, gorgeous people? I hope safe and sound. For today's topic, allow me to share you a tip on how to schedule Instagram live sessions. So let's quickly start by opening our Instagram application here. There we go to the plus icon on our top right corner. Again, we click the live menu on the last option. There you can see a calendar-like image that says schedule. We press that and it will ask us to give a title for the video. So I'm giving this a giveaway title. Also, you can set the timer. So I am putting a timer for tomorrow. After you are done, you click the live schedule video. And again, it will ask you if you want to share this live session as your post. As I am not really interested in sharing it as my post, I'm gonna skip it and press not now option. And go to your home page and you can again see the live video that is scheduled for tomorrow. And anyone who visits your profile can see your live session. So that's it, people. Make sure to subscribe our channel for amazing videos like this. Till then, see ya, keep safe.